the engineering, research, and development team at Mega Detection, a dream is now a reality with Gold Star 3D Scanner, a comprehensive metal detector with multiple detection technologies within one device that provides prospectors with all the necessary tools to detect buried treasures. The integrated Gold Star 3D scanner contains 8 different systems to search for gold, metal, and ancient archaeological burials, with advanced technology and ease of use at the same time. Gold Star 3D Scanner